this is me, Adam. I'm going to show you about my helicopter that my Nino Noel gave me. So, I just made this H up. I just made this H up. I just made it out of cardboard. And then, so this is only for indoors. Because of the engine. I think this is the engine right here. The wires. So, I'm going to show you a video of my helicopter. I'm going to see if I can fly it into the H. It'll be kind of tricky. Oops. Maybe it's not adjusted. I need to put it down here. Oops. Oh, I didn't drive it like a car. I have to try it again because it drove it like a car. Let me see. Nope. 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 It's kind of tricky though, but it takes a long time to fly in the H. Oh man, this is so tricky. Oh yeah, I can't take this anymore. This is so kind of hard because you need to adjust the bottom. It's kind of close to the H. And sometimes it moves by itself. Right there! So bye! Thank you for watching my video. So bye!